Okay. I'm gonna lay the chair down.
Okay.
And you're gonna take a walk with it.
Sure.
Right?
Yep. Okay. We're gonna go for a quick walk. You alright? We're gonna go for a quick walk, okay? Alright. Let me help you out. You okay? We've been through this one, won't you? Can we go for a little bit?
Just to that door on your left, on your right.
Turn back around.
And then come back around.
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna turn back around. Very good. You okay? You can do it.
And relax.
Alright, you there? We're good. I'll pick your feet up. One leg on my hand. There we go.
Does she need the headrest again?
No, I think we're gonna pop that in there and see what happens, right?
That's it?
Yes.
You want me to just videotape while you're doing that, or? Just don't push it.
Yeah, just.
Okay.
Since it's coming. He's coming.
It's coming, huh?
He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming.
Just run your back on that thing.
He's coming. He's
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Mm-hmm.
Just close your eyes.
You're gonna rest. Every rest. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. I'm not moving it.
No, I mean, I'm
Yeah.
just absolutely in awe.
You rest.
Yeah. It's actually pretty emotional.
Yeah. It's all right. Yeah, she rests.
I mean, we've been 4 months of
Yeah.
hell.
Sorry.
I gotta stop parking on sidewalks.
Yes.
And I pull up, I'm not gonna do a damn up park.
That's right.
That's
That's right.
Medical emergency. Get out
That's
of the way.
right. That's right. That's right.
Medical emergency.
That's right.
You doing okay?
She wants to sleep. She's tired.
You feeling okay? Hey, sleepy. You wanna walk? You doing alright? Are you feeling better? You wanna walk over here again?
Not yet. He said she just wants to rest.
It is exhausting.
Yes. Be winding breath. Yep, that's what happened.
Like that, she grew 2 inches. Her head's up.
She couldn't turn her head to her right.
No. I mean, I've seen her head to the right in 3 months.
Yeah.
I mean, even, trying to stretch it,
Right.
trying to, for physical therapy, just trying to stretch it,
Sure.
trying to move it. Nothing.
Sure.
It would always go left. And I know it, you can see how it's, when it goes bad, it goes bad.
Oh, yes. She just wants to rest.
Okay. You good? You, you're sleeping now, huh? You feeling better? Can you walk over here for me?
She wants to sleep.
You're
She's
tired. Okay.
Tired.
You want to try to walk over here real quick? I need to walk to me real quick. Here, bounce up, walk to me. Yeah. Yeah, so Dr. Sims can catch you. Catch you. Catch on video, you'll be a movie star. I know you're tired.
She's tired.
Nope, you're almost to the floor. Let's see.
Take your time.
Yeah, right, you're just tired, that's all.
Yeah, she wants to sleep. She's tired of people bothering her.
Yeah. Alright, look at that. Looks like a new person.
I know you're tired.
Look at that new person.
But I'm on the side.
You wanna just- Look at that.
Take your time. Yes, I know. She's tired.
Yeah.
All right.
You good?
All right. All right.
That is nothing short of amazing.
All right.
You feel relaxed? Good. Okay. All right. That's like literally unbelievable. I mean, the answers are out there. You just gotta find them. You gotta keep digging until you can find them. Do you have a business card? I mean, that's nuts. That's just amazing. You know, what's even more impressive is this. Not like that.
Yeah.
It's head level, shoulders back. What head dig? I got that. And, you know, you want just a sense of normal.
Yeah.
That's all you're looking for.
That's what you're looking for.
What you've been through, what you want is just a sense of normal. You
Yeah.
know, and that's impressive.
Here you go.
What's the number?
703 580 8181.
I just need to ask you their oral surgeon.
And you say, I'm a patient of philosophy. I have to get 2 tooth extractions. 2. Right? 2? Are you pushing in a waiting room? You okay?
Yes, no problem.
Okay. I go there. Hi again, it's Lee. After several months of different doctors' ER visits, I finally found a doctor, a movement disorder neurologist, who has diagnosed me with cervical dystonia, unlike my primary doctor and other doctors previously who told me it was in my head. It's not in my head. It's a real problem, and it's real pain and real suffering. And through Dr. Sims, I know that I'm going to be able to live a happier and much more normal life without the need of Prozac, because it's not in my head. Thank you all, and I'm happy. Hi, I'm Lee. I am a cancer fighter, as well as a dystonia fighter. Dr. Sims has just put in my appliance that I am getting used to. I'll be singing a lot so that I can get my voice acclimated to this new appliance, which I'm sure will take no time. For all of you, I am sitting straight, very comfortable. I'm actually feeling really good. And I can walk all on my own, straight. Thank you, Dr. Sims.
You're welcome.